Hi, my name's Liz Stein, and I'm a systems engineer here at Arista Networks. My customers deploy large data centers with hundreds of thousands of compute and storage nodes. The networking challenges of deploying compute capacity at this scale are addressed by high-density, non-blocking Arista leaf and spine switches. These run Arista's EOS, a network operating system that is resilient and highly programmable, providing rapid convergence in a scale-out wide ECMP network. While most data centers have made the shift from the legacy 3-tier design to the non-blocking leaf spine universal cloud network, in many cases there still remains a tier above the spine, typically called the DC core. Traditional networks deploy dedicated router platforms for these roles, which are expensive, they're proprietary, they lack high-density 100 gig and even 40 gig, and in many cases they run an operating system that is 2 decades old and of course completely closed. The customer has no open programmable interfaces. The Arista 7500R Universal Spine platform provides a perfect solution. We have set a new standard for performance, port density, system reliability, and power efficiency, while expanding the system to over 100 terabits per second. Additionally, Arista innovations such as FlexRoute, along with EOS NetDB, enable capabilities not natively available in merchant chipsets. Arista innovative FlexRoute engine enables IP forwarding at layer 3 for the full internet routing table, with support for more than 1 million routes in hardware and providing sufficient headroom for future growth in both IPv4 and IPv6 scale. Let's walk through a demonstration of Arista FlexRoute technology and see how it works. I have set up a 2-tier leaf spine topology. Connected to the spines are 8 Arista 7500R universal spines labeled U1 through U8. The Arista universal spine devices are peering with 4 upstream internet peering points, each providing full copies of the internet route table. I am simulating this by BGP peering with a traffic generator tool, which is advertising approximately 600,000 routes. These 600,000 routes are a copy of today's internet table exported from a traditional router. Let's log into one of the Arista 7500R universal spines. As you see, this is a 4-slot 7500R system. Looking at the modules, slot 1 has a supervisor module using a high-performance CPU with 32 gigabits of RAM. Slot 3 has a 36-port 100 gig module, followed by 6 fabric modules. The Show IP Bgp Summary displays all the BGP neighbors and the routes received from them. You can see that we are receiving approximately 2,000 routes from multiple spines. At the bottom of the output, we see 4 specific BGP neighbors, each receiving over 570,000 routes. These neighbors are peering with the traffic generator tool and receiving a full copy of internet routing table. Now, in most modern data centers, customers also have deployed IPv6 across their entire environment. My customers are no different. If we check on the IPv6 status, we have IPv6 routes that are being injected from the neighbors. Again, we have 4 neighbors, each injecting around 35,000 IPv6 external route prefixes, as well as many data center spine neighbors injecting 2,000 prefixes. The Show IP route output displays similar information in a more consolidated manner. Here we see the total number of routes is close to 575,000. We also see routes broken down by subnet and can notice a wide variety of different mask lengths, as we would expect from an internet peering connection. We see similar summary information for our IPv6 routes. Let's look into the BGP table. Here you can see that most routes are ECMP. The total BGP table on this system is 2.5 million paths. The Arista FlexRoute engine has allowed us to successfully program full internet tables in the FIB. While we're logged into this box, I want to demonstrate another powerful feature that applies to my customers: Smart System Upgrade, or SSU for the spine. SSU for the spine provides the option to place a spine device in maintenance mode by programmatically draining all the traffic from the system. The system can then be taken out of service to have the EOS software upgraded, rebooted, or any other disruptive maintenance operation that needs to be performed. Show interface counter rate shows that the traffic rate is slowly reducing and will soon touch 0. At this point, any maintenance operation can be performed on the spine. SSU for Spine is a simple but very powerful tool. It enables my customers to upgrade software from any release to any release without the need to go through complex, disruptive, or unreliable processes. While SSU for the Spine allows customers to upgrade a single system, Arista CloudVision takes SSU to the next level by automating the upgrade process for the entire network. Additionally, CloudVision also provides snapshot views for pre- and post-change control tracking, as well as the ability to roll back the network to a known good working state. In summary, the Arista 7500R series FlexRoute engine provides the capability to program full internet scale routing with headroom for future growth. And with Arista CloudVision and Arista SSU, customers are given the best solution to upgrade networks in a reliable and hitless manner. So what does this really mean to my customers or for you? The Arista 7500R series, along with EOS NetDB, is an ideal platform for building flexible, cost-effective, scale-out universal cloud networks that are non-blocking, support large-scale ECMP, IP routing with internet route scale, and have the best-in-class routing convergence. The Arista 7500R Universal Spine can also be deployed in many additional places in the network, such as the Cloud WAN, Internet Edge, and content delivery networks where traditionally expensive, complex, and closed systems would be required. In addition to the 7500R module platforms, the Arista 7280R series is a range of compact, fixed configuration, universal leaf platforms. The 7280R complements the 7500R with the same features and FlexRoute scale, designed for next-generation IP storage environments, as well as IP peering and DCI deployments. I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration of Arista's FlexRoute and SSU capabilities for the Arista 7500R Universal Spines, enabled by Arista's extensible operating system. For more information, please visit www.arista.com.